Hey Rob, this is me. And everybody else, your wife.
Hey babe.
Joe.
Don't forget Joe.
And Auntie. Today, we're here to introduce you to a tradition that we're gonna teach your wife and brother and your little baby. So this is, we go up the hill that Brother Paul used to live on, and when we go down, Auntie has to cluck like a chicken.
And you used to be able to see the hotels, but the trees grew and you can't see it anymore.
Yeah. But in the winter, you probably can see. So, here we go. We're about to do it.
You wanna go down the hill? Let's go down the hill. Rock kisses to daddy.
Kisses.
I'm trying to say get on your mark.
Okay. Joe.
Ready, set, go!
With everyone else. This is what's known as Kim folks with too much time on their hands, okay?
Bye. See you later.
Oh.
Bye.
Kim folks.
Bye. Bye.
We love you.
Want some water?